Hi everyone, this is Paulie from YUAN. This year we are demonstrating at 2025 iREX showcasing humanoid robotics, industrial robotics, and of course based on NVIDIA Jetson solution. So let's take a look. The first demonstration is TriOrb. TriOrb is utilizing our air solution with Jetson Orin NX with GMSL camera to handle an automotive AMR solution. The AMR utilizing Jetson to do auto control, obstacle prevention. Here it is, the ideal solution for your industrial use cases. The next demonstration here is a robotic dog. This robotic dog is using a VP camera, also with the Jetson Orin NX embedded here. So based on different gesture, utilizing VLM, the robotic dog will have different action according to the video itself. The all system is running on-premise on the Jetson Orin NX here. As the other side, we can also provide different scope and hardware design for Jetson Orin series, also including the upcoming Jetson Thor. First, you can see the air solution. Air solution have different daughter boards to be attacked together. You can change your daughter board to support for different application and features. Also, we introduced the solution with flight control together, which is also useful for the drone application. Different kind of the daughter boards have different embedded chassis. And we even have one industrial grade camera embedded 4K 60 with Jetson Orin NX running. Of course, we cannot forget the Jetson Thor. Thor is coming out. We have two versions. One is for the embedded system, industrial PC grade. On the other side, this one is ideal for AMR and humanoid application. Extremely small, extremely compact, which you can put on your humanoid robotics. Last but not the least, we also offer enterprise level Pandora with the capture card solution and also a camera embedded system with security camera, 4K 60 all-in-one Jetson Orin NX 16GB available. This demonstration is showcasing the AMR solution, utilizing that camera with GMSL and then doing SLAM application. Thanks to our partner, SANSEI. SANSEI is utilizing our Jetson solution beyond edge. This application is actually demonstrating at high wind speed. This booth is utilizing Jetson Thor to use VLM, capturing live stream video from RTSP and also live video in the booth, either from security camera or also from the AMR solution, the drone application. So live video are using VLM to detect the behavior, and at the same time, the whole information is detected, is also sent to another Thor system, and utilizing deep search to do the job. You can be finding the clips by typing. This booth is showcasing Vstone solution. Vstone is using our Pandora to build an educational robotics for students to understand how robotics works and how AI can be combined into robotics. So they're kind of like demonstrating with our Pandora with their AMR solution. And they're also working on building with NVIDIA Jetson with even smaller robotic solutions. This year, 2025, at iREX in Japan, Big Side, Tokyo. YUAN is demonstrating with different solutions with NVIDIA Jetson. Please feel free to contact. We provide hardware and software support, and we'll definitely provide the best solution for you. Thank you.